Happy Tuesday, everyone. Good afternoon. It's 12:30 right now. I thought I'd stop since it's so windy. I can even hear myself when I talk, so I can make a proper greeting. It is so windy today. I think it's about between 30 and 35 kilometers per hour. Right now, going east, it's so much easy to pedal. Farm store is now open. I think they are now fully operational. If you guys remember, I started vlogging back in February, and it was winter and they were closed, and I told you guys I would show you once they open in the summer. So here they are open, fully operational. On this side, I guess they have all these plants, and then on that side they have trees, and I think on the other side that's where the apple and strawberry picking. Wow, I'm just a few meters away from the store. Hopefully they're open so I can have my coffee and my muffin. There's the store, the place to be. Oh yeah, they are open. Beef patty, please, and also one small coffee, one cream. Open this. Nice. Now it's open. I actually came here for the muffin. Oh, this Jamaican beef patty tastes good. I was supposed to have a corn muffin. That's the reason why I came here for. But I had a change of heart all of a sudden, and I asked the lady if they had anything more left, and she said nope. So they're sold out. Good thing that they are. Otherwise, I feel bad. Now I don't feel guilty. Wow, it is so good. It's windy. Going north, it's windy, but going south is better. but I'm gonna have to go north this time because I came down south, and so far I did 25 kilometers. It's been an hour and maybe 15 minutes in my riding. Okay, time to go. I think I rested too long. I want to check out that place over there. They opened the veggie store and the patio over there. Let's see what they have. They have tomatoes, they have zucchinis. Oh wow, they have a lot here. Asparagus, cucumbers, zucchinis, tomatoes. No corn yet. It's not yet time to harvest for corn. And these guys are preparing for their patio section here. Nice. Okay, let's go for a ride. I think the wind shifted direction. Now I think it's coming from west and I'm going west. So I am headwind again. Look at that. Yeah, the video doesn't justify the real view here. So nice, beautiful. Now I am in my own territory. See the sign? It says Oshawa, prepare to be amazed. It is really amazing here. I'll show you. See, this is what amazing is all about around my area. I'm gonna end this video here now. Thank you very much for those of you who subscribe. And if you haven't, this is the time. Until next time, thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Have fun. Adios. I'm home now. I did 71.4 kilometers, 2 hours and 48 minutes riding time.